Hi, good day everyone. This is Doc V. Um, I'm going to teach you how to let your children read. And the first lesson that we should do is to identify first the letters of the alphabet, the English alphabet, followed by the sounds of the alphabet. Before that, we're going to sing first the sing with me, like up to the ceiling, down to the floor, right to the window and left to the door. Jesus bless me, Mama kiss me. Now I know my ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, because I want you to learn, children, this is very helpful for the children. The basic one is to let them identify the letters. And of course, after identifying the letters, followed by the sounds of the alphabet. This is the very first foundation. So, as we can see, how many letters do we have in English alphabet? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now, so English alphabet composed of consonants, letters, consonants, and vowel letters like this one. So the vowel letters are only 5 vowel letters. What are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, I, O, and U. The remaining letters are the consonant letters. Now, let us read. Repeat after me, children. These are the English alphabet, letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well done. Well done. Now, let's produce the sounds of the alphabet. Repeat after me. A sounds A. B sounds B, B, B. C sounds K, K, K. D sounds D, D, D. E sounds E. F sounds F, F. G sounds G, G. H sounds H, H. I sounds I, I, I. J sounds Ch, Ch, Ch. K sounds K, K, K. L sounds L, L. M sounds N sounds N. U sounds V sounds W sounds X sounds X, X, X. Y sounds and Z sounds Z, Z. Again, repeat. A sounds A. B sounds P. C sounds K. D sounds T, T. E sounds E. F sounds F. G sounds K, K, K. H sounds I sounds I. J sounds J, J, J. K sounds K, K, K. L sounds L, L. M sounds M, M. N sounds N, N, N. O sounds A, A, A. P sounds P, P, P. Q sounds Q, Q, Q. R sounds R, R. S sounds S. T sounds T, T, T. U sounds V sounds V, 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 V. W sounds X sounds X. Y sounds Z sounds Z. So these are the letters and sounds of the alphabet. All you have to do is to master this one so that for the next lesson, we have this syllabication and how you blend with the other letters. So take note, children, that we have this 26 letters of the alphabet, and the consonant letters are, what are the consonant letters? Letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. So thank you very much. Let us explain this one. Let us teachers, our children, our nieces and nephews, our brothers and sisters, or our friends, so that they can master the sounds, the letters, sounds, and the sounds of the alphabet. So, if you like this lesson, the first lesson that we have in this English alphabet, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Thank you.